Hello guys and welcome back on channel. Today we're back for Revolut crypto quiz and I show you how to answer for this quiz to get some cryptocurrency Bonk. So let's go to tab crypto, scroll to the bottom to the section features, push button the learn, find crypto quiz, call it Bonk, push on this, we have two lessons, click on lesson number 1. Read about this. And if you're ready, we can start crypto quiz. Bonk is a cryptocurrency token built on which blockchain? Solana. How was Bonk originally distributed? Through a airdrop to Solana's activity community members. Bonk usability and research has cemented it as the social token of Solana. Submit. Perfect. First lesson is done. Go to lesson number 2. Read about this. If you're ready, we can start quiz. So, which of the Bonk swap's key features allow user to perform a standard direct swap? Token swap. Which Bonk's bot which app can user use to trade in simple and fast way? Telegram. Which of the following enables user to earn rewards from community-built Bonk ecosystem products by locking their Bonk tokens? Bonk rewards. And submit. Perfect. We got some Bonk cryptocurrency. Back to our list and push button show more on the list, and we see our Bonk over here. Like you see, we get our Bonk cryptocurrency. If you want to know how to answer for the rest of the quiz what Revolt prepared for us, go to my previous video. I explained all cryptocurrency quiz on my previous videos. If you have any question about this topic, post this question below this video. Of course, you can share with our community how many cryptocurrency Bonk you get from this crypto quiz.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.